because I don't want you to be.
Yeah, it's expensive. Yeah, I understand.
She's the boss, so
No, I got you. I just want to make sure. But I don't want to rip anything.
I know.
But you
A
know,
lot
this
of
goes to
stuff-
claims automatically now, right?
I know.
Yeah.
Because a lot of stuff that I see,
Yeah.
So you can't sell this then?
Already not.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Once you open it, we can't.
Yeah, that's why I didn't want to pick it up. But I
no,
ordered some
this part?
groceries. And then, wow. This is the first time I'm seeing the unboxing.
That's like everything.
The machine is inside them. I got you.
Yeah, it's not even been opened. Sealed. Everything is sealed.
I think you can still put it back and put that sticker on.
Well, it's up to what the boss says.
yeah, no, it's fine. It's fine.
I'm just a little man.
Yeah. Oh, you missed this one. This goes before. Or before this guy.
I think.
No worries. Yeah, I just hate for a new item to go somewhere.
You want to get the box, I'll slide that in.
because we have so many times that the TVs are returned.
I know.
It's
People
not open, but
miss.
it's empty boxes are
I
returned.
know. Some bad people are
Nothing in
doing,
there.
making it.
I don't want to break it. Hold
Oh,
on to it.
I think, yeah, one second. Look, that's it.
Shit.
I got it here.
This has got in this flap. Thank you. Thank you.
All good.
Yeah. Because I don't want to break it. This looks like it's going to be resold, but you got to check with the plane.
This guy. So that's the problem.
And then